fun sounds. Yeah, so everyone get your video cameras ready. We are all set. Ready? Say hello. Hello. Good job. Okay, tell us, what's your name? Amigo. Amigo, that's his name. Amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people? How are you? How are you? Okay, now Amigo is going to do some counting for us. He's going to count from 1 to 10. Count for us in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, Amigo! Good job! This time, count for us in Chinese. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good! Alright! Now Amigo's going to sing for us. He's going to sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Yeah, so the first song is a local Chinese song. It's called Parrot. Amigo, sing us a song in Mandarin. Parrot. Well done, Amigo. Well sung indeed. Now the second song originates from Indonesia. Okay, it's called Rasa Sayang, Feelings of Love. Amigo, sing for us Rasa Sayang. Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, lihat Luna, Hey! Good job, Amigo. Now the last song that Amigo is going to sing is an English song, but before that, I think there's a little girl in the audience celebrating her birthday today, and her name is Ashley. Where are you, Ashley? Ashley, is that you? You're celebrating your birthday today? How old are you? 6 years old. Wow. Okay, I'll get back to you, Ashley. Anybody else in the audience celebrating birthday today? Anywhere? Inside, no? Center? Yes, you sir, celebrating your birthday. Over there, you celebrating your birthday too, ma'am? Very good. Okay, over here. I hope I didn't miss out anyone. Okay, so for the 2 of you, and especially for you, Ashley, Amigo is gonna sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you for celebrating your birthday here in the Jurong Park. Good job. Okay, time for Amigo to go. What do you say when you have to go? Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye to you too, Amigo. There you go. Now, ladies and gentlemen, just a reminder that Parrot